If you've been studying with Tiffany, say in Feldenkrais, or in the way that the whole body collaborates within itself, we take that kind of collaborative sense, but one that really leans on this whole notion from system science that says that our biology, under the right conditions, will be self-organizing. And this is just the marvel of what we've missed, which is, having come out of, say, the Freudian tradition, Freud maybe being the one who sort of derived from Mesmer and hypnosis, this body-mind connection, really just landed in a theory of how psychology works that simply does what systems do, which is reinforces the status quo. Our biology has as a prime directive, if you will, it has as a prime directive to keep things stable. If you have a biology that is unstable, it is inherently at risk of non-existence. And so stability is like the first agenda of the biology. Another agenda, though, is change in a positive direction. But that change can only happen within certain parameters that don't sort of alert the guards around the field of stability. And so organic intelligence and the approach that I'm using really recognizes this and holds these two directives in a careful balance so that we can have both the stability that is requisite for the change that then will grow systems naturally. And so all we're looking at in organic intelligence are the conditions within that field of stability that offer this opportunity for the system to self-right itself, or to self-heal itself, to self-organize. And so that's what we're going to be looking at. And for us, as we're thinking about moving more into flow states, into greater organization, into greater productivity, we can best do that by aligning ourselves with our natural biological tendencies toward growth and recognizing this interplay between stability and movement.